Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be unboxing our current Beem Box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with it, check down below. All the details are right there, okay? Now, we'll talk about why you haven't seen me in a while on another video. But right now we're going to jump into this box. So when we open it, the first thing we get is our description card, which looks like this, and it says your Beem Box has arrived. On the other side, we have a description of everything that is enclosed, plus a rubrics that lets us know whether it's cruelty-free, vegan, and definitely women-owned. Okay, so let's just get started. The first item that we have is by Skin&Co, and it looks like this right here. And this is a cruelty-free and a vegan product, and it says created to target the appearance of tired eyes, puffiness, bags, and dark circles. This concentrate is formulated with antioxidants and vitamins to protect against free radicals and environmental damage. The fruit extracts energize and reveal a brighter under eye. Now, it does give us a tip which says use this right before your moisturizer. And this truffle eye concentrate, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $60. Okay, this is a 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce size. And when you open the box, right on the top, it says hello bright eyes. Okay, so y'all know this drives I'm not gonna say it drives me crazy because I will never allow it, but this it gives me pause for concern when we have these big old boxes and here's the product that was inside. Okay, come on, y'all. Let's stop with the waste. This says it is a restructuring truffle eye contour concentrate. Okay, and like I said, it is cruelty-free and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, now let's see what it tells us to do. Of course, you apply it after cleansing your face and using the truffle therapy serum, which I do have as well. I received it out of another box. Okay, so what are your thoughts? If this is something that you've used before, you know, you've tried it out, let me know. It's got to be very, very strong. Well, it does say it's an eye concentrate, so that means a little goes a long way. Okay, so this is the first item, and then moving right along, the next item that we have is by Mellow Cosmetics, and this is it right here, and it says this is an eyeshadow quad. It is also cruelty-free, vegan, but it is also a woman-owned company. Okay, and it says an eyeshadow quad created with 4 complementary shades to achieve multiple looks, from a neutral smoky eye to a sexy splash of color and everything in between. This quad is designed to bring out the modern goddess in you. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $30. Now this one also offers a tip. And it says all 4 colors are cohesive and can be used to create a full makeup eye look. So let's just check it out and see. Their packaging is always cute. The name of this particular palette is called Harmonia. Okay, this is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says it is, of course, cruelty-free, as I stated, vegan, and it says it is also paraben-free, and it is a 4-gram size. Oh, beautiful. Okay, love it, love it. Nice neutral with a pop of color, shimmers, and give me a minute. I'm just trying to cover the mirror so it doesn't mess with your eyes. But this is what it looks like. How about those shades? Beautiful. Shall we swatch? Absolutely. So we're going to swatch them all. How about that? Yeah, this is nice. Not too powdery, but that is nice. It is nice. All right, and this is what they look like on my skin. You see that shimmer right there? All right, I like it. I like it. Okay, so this is item number 2, and it does have a full-size mirror, and by full size I mean it is the complete size of the top of this palette. Okay, and so that one was item number 2. Okay, and the next item that we have is by EM Cosmetics. Now, you remember I unboxed a item from them in another box just a couple days ago. But this is the Infinite Lip Cloud, and it says that this one is also vegan, cruelty-free, and a woman-owned company. Formulated with goji berry extract, this velvety air-whipped cream glides on and saturates your pout in rich color. A luscious matte finish that won't crack or dry out your lips. It applies as a vibrant liquid lipstick and wears to a beautiful satin. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $20. Now, the tip that they give us is, for a really subtle look, apply the lipstick with your finger by dabbing the product evenly over the lip. Now, the shade that I have is called Faded Clementine. That's interesting name. And this is what the inner packaging looks like. I can see why this color would have that name. This is beautiful. I don't think I have. No, I know I don't have. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that one. Okay. That is beautiful. I think we can create a look with these items. Okay, moving right along. The next item we have is by Bella Pierre. And this is the Liquid Gold. And it says, it's now your time to shine with the Liquid Gold Shimmering Highlighter. This dramatic highlighter is full of shimmer and subtle sparkle to help you achieve a beautiful glow. Our gentle, lightweight formula glides on skin for the perfect radiant glow. This item is also cruelty-free and vegan, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $25. So let's just take a look at it and see. It says that this is a 0.5 fluid ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it comes in a tube. Now, I know I do not own a highlighter that comes in a tube. That I know beyond a shadow of a doubt. So I'm going to kind of squeeze the product around a little bit so I can kind of see what it looks like. Now, they do give us a tip here as well, which says enhance your look with half a pea-sized drop blended onto the high points of your cheekbones. So let's put it next to this lipstick and see. Oh wow, I think I put a little too much on. Maybe. Let me get a brush. Ooh. Yeah, definitely put a little too much on. But I want you to be able to see the actual shade, which is beautiful. Look at that. I would never wear that much highlighter, ever. But to each his own, but I'm just saying, so you can see what it does look like. A pea size was a little too much. So, what do you think? Maybe it was just a little too much for me. Maybe just for me. That may be other people's norm. To each his own. So I do like this, but I can see it being called Liquid Gold 24K. Now, it says it can be mixed with liquid foundation for an all-over glow or dabbed onto high points of the face, cheekbones, brow bone, or tip of the nose, and Cupid's bow, okay? Dab or blend, okay? I like it. I definitely like it. I just don't think I would wear that much. But I don't see where that would be a problem on. This is a nice shade for me. Okay, nonetheless, moving right along, we're at our last item. And y'all already know, I'm gonna have a little bit of a moment with this one because it is by the company Cala Brushes. And it looks like this. This is the rose gold brush set, and it says this one is also cruelty free and vegan, and it says this super soft bristles are the perfect way to blend your colors. These 5 essential brushes with sleek tube can and will help create the perfect eye look for any occasion and offers quick and easy storage. So that means it can just, you can pop it in your makeup bag or sit it on your desk, all right? And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $10. I like it. I like it. And it comes with an angled brow brush, an eyeshadow brush, a tapered blending brush, a blending brush, and a smudge brush, as well as this sleek tube. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. And we're gonna even take out the tube and let's just put it in. It's another one to sit on my desk, y'all. Very nice tube. Okay. Okay, and this is the 76663 brush set. So all the brushes are inside, and of course, there we go. So it's travel friendly, or you can just, you know, sit it up, or may very well put it up with the rest of the brushes. Okay, so let's just talk about this box. Now, for me, I've never, ever, I'm just going to tell you the truth, I've never gotten a Beem Box that I didn't like. I've gotten Beem Boxes that I was skeptical with at first because I'm like, those aren't shades I would wear, but they actually ended up being shades that I would wear. So I appreciate her very much because she keeps me on my toes when they create items like this. So I love everything that I received. I cannot wait to try it. Actually, I am excited to try it and see, especially this lippy. I really like that. I think a nice deep brown liner would look really nice with that. And I'm sure we can create an eye look with this palette that would complete, you know, that look with everything here. Yeah, see, I think we can do that, and it would be really beautiful. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up what I believe is the May. If I'm incorrect, I'll let you know down below. But the May Beem Box, and these are the items that are enclosed. And down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was in the box. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,